Can't get to your phone? Garmin lets you check and respond to WhatsApp messages right from your wrist. First, download WhatsApp from the Connect IQ store. The WhatsApp app will be queued and will be installed during your next sync. You will see a message on your watch. When the WhatsApp app has been downloaded to your watch, launch on your watch. Scan the QR code using your phone to link your watch to your WhatsApp account. Select Continue. Follow the prompts on your smartphone to log in. Now you will see the linked device on your phone. This means you are ready to access your WhatsApp on your Garmin watch. From the watch face, press Start. And WhatsApp is now in your app list. You can view your threads here and send your message directly from your watch using predefined text, emoji, or the Garmin keyboard. For more information, please read the FAQ in the description and visit support.garmin.com.